straight on fix. I tell my girl, don't worry about shit. I don't wanna hold, I'm not in the mix. So I get mad when I shit, and that's it. Baby, can maybe get so thick. Old school time, that bitch is so kick. That's not a rodeo, I heard that bitch tick.
What's the deal? It's your boy RonSmoov. Today we here with another video. Right now, I'm at this Grand River Auto Glass. I'm gonna get this little piece on my mirror fix. Well, not mirror, but this front right there. Had that on there for a minute. I'm gonna show you how it look. How that shit look.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Stop playing. What the fuck? Stop playing. What the fuck is that?
I had that shit in there for my shit for a minute. We'll try to get that shit fixed, bitch. Shit right there, shit. Got that bitch right there. A little bit spreader, a little bit. You feel me? I'm gonna try to get that fixed, though. You feel me? Waiting on my mans right now to come scoop. After that, I'm gonna get back with y'all. Y'all new to the camera, I'm gonna show you how to look. I know I ain't seen my car in a minute. Or for y'all new to the channel, I ain't seen no shit, so. Man. Glass house. Glass house. I'm getting some rims on the way. I ain't gonna tell y'all what kind, but you feel me? So no. I got the decals on my jump. That's a new sticker. I got the Instagram, YouTube on the back. When the car wash, oh. Yes, sir, that's what we rocking in. Damn, I need the car wash. Oh. Damn.
Wow. Wow.
Alright, another mod comes to the car today in this video. Stay tuned for that. But, not another mod, cause this windshield really mandatory fix. But, yeah. I might get something like the little sun thing that go up top, like, you feel me? Get the little YouTube on the front. I mean, not YouTube, but Instagram on the front. I don't know, I might just leave it like plain Jane like that. I'm thinking about going to 20%. I'm gonna change this. This is getting changed for sure. What else? I ain't know I gotta get some more of these, or I might just tint those up. Other than that, got the spoiler on the way. Stay tuned. Yeah, it's your boy RonSmoov. It's your boy with the gang and shit. So right now, my boy Dan say he might grab him a new drop. I might have to call that nigga, I ain't gonna lie.
My phone at? You got my phone?
I would've heard that bitch turbocharged a little bit. But yeah, he say he about to grab a new drop. That was all a new drop, like a new drop on the car.
Hey, come on, y'all. Come on, dog.
Come on, man.
I just lost this nigga.
So he about to upgrade from the Buick. Right now he got a Buick Regal 2012.
Skip and say what?
Right now he got a Buick Regal 2012.
You heard me?
Come again, say what?
Right now he got a Buick Regal 2012. You know, it's a little clean on the inside. He trying to hop in the Mopar though.
Come off your phone real quick, dude.
My shit dead.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now.
So he trying to get rid of the Buick. Okay, that bitch clean. It's on there. Hey, rev it one time.
Man, shut your bitch ass up, nigga. Nobody asked you that a bitch ass thing.
Oh, damn, I was about to get a little rev one time. Yeah, get a little rev here. Nice little cup start up. Woo! Okay, then. Yeah. Alright, now, the big three is still at the shop. We better go pick it up soon. It's a bug following me and shit. Right now, the big three at the shop, getting the glass repaired. I'm gonna pick that up in a minute, then I'm gonna get another mod later on at like 3 or 4. But yeah, right now, we get my boy Dan. He copping him a new whip. Join the little real action. Hopefully he don't smack out trying to do too much, trying to follow me and jump. You know how I get, man. Oh, okay, hold on. Turbo on that bitch, trying to get a lot of shit going in. What's the deal? I'm back, I got the big three, feel me? First look at the new windshield. Let's see this bitch looking nice and smooth. That's way better, man. That's way better. Glass high. Oh, that shit look crazy.
No.
See, that's why I don't condone cheating, man. Stay loyal to your girls, man. Y'all see the glass house though, man. I need a little car wash though. He straight told me don't wash it 2 days, you feel me? But shit, it's like. So right now, we're currently at the where is this? Someplace. Say Auto Motors or something like that. I might get a chrome delete all around the car. Everything besides the rearview mirror and the door handles. I'm waiting on them right now to bring me up in there. That's a nice little CTSV right here. That bitch clean. XXT van. Durango over there. I'm waiting on bro to come back out here. I'm gonna get it to y'all when they pull it in the car. Look at that bitch, man. All this rap. That shit rap. All that calm about to be out of there. So, get a calm on there. You get me together right there. Boom. Like all around. Get you all to be halfway done. Right now, I'm about to step out to see the process. See what it's looking like. So far, my shit looking clean and nice, man. Tap in with y'all when we get the full process done and it's fully completed. So we just got the car back. Right now, we're on the way to the house. I'm gonna give y'all a little pull of the 300. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but I'm gonna tap back in with y'all when I get home and show y'all the results. I'm not telling the action. This ain't no joke. I'm gonna tap in with y'all when I get home. So I pulled up to the house. I'm about to give y'all the outcome of the chrome delete. Shout out to my boy Zero Chill. All that black, I gotta get the door handle covers. We got this blacked out. 300 sign blacked out. He said he couldn't do this blacked out, so he said I might have to order a new one. That's at 300, that's black. So I'm gonna get that together. Everything on the left side. Oh, blacked out. Outline it, blacked out. Whole trimming, blacked. Anything that's messed it up, it's the grill. You feel me? That's black now. That's black now. So yeah, you feel me? Everything down there black. Just gonna get me ready, you feel me? New tires on the way. You feel me? That's that. I'm straight. I lost one of this black too, but they said they couldn't do it, so I'm like, yeah. That's that. That was today's video. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna hit y'all back with the next video. She. Yeah. It's blacked out on that. Yeah. Let go.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.